This presentation introduces Infinity AIOps and its step-by-step guide. It is designed for security professionals seeking clarity and control over their security environment, simplifying management, enhancing visibility, and strengthening security against evolving threats. Unlock the power of Infinity AIOps for your Checkpoint application. It simplifies management, enhances visibility, and strengthens security, ensuring your organization is protected against evolving threats. Infinity AIOps monitors Checkpoint assets, providing an overview and alerts. It offers a single location for system resource utilization, real-time data, and identifies low-performance assets. See SK 182647 for prerequisites and onboarding. The overview page in AIOps provides a snapshot of monitored assets. Access it via Infinity events. Banners indicate asset connectivity, and numbers show physical assets. Click Add More Assets to expand monitoring. The Gateways and Servers Health widget shows the number of physical and virtual assets connected. It also shows their health status, according to the severity of alerts, such as good, poor, critical, or unavailable. The Top Assets widget shows the top 5 assets in categories like memory, disk, network, and CPU. It offers the best practices to reduce resource utilization for those assets. The Asset Dashboard shows system resource utilization and network data. Access it via Infinity events. Select an asset and time period to view data. Click System for resource details. Click Network to view traffic. The Asset Information widget displays the asset type, release version, IP address, hardware type, uptime, installed policy, CPU usage, and system memory usage. The Memory Utilization widget shows RAM usage. The CPU Utilization widget displays overall CPU usage, or by core. The Disk Partition Usage widget shows the disk space used. The Top 5 Processes widget displays the top processes by CPU and RAM usage. Note: this widget is supported in R82 version and higher. The Cluster Member Status widget shows the status of cluster members. Note: this widget is supported only in R82 version and higher. The widgets displayed depend on the asset type and version. The Concurrent Connections widget shows the total number of concurrent connections. The Throughput, bits, sec widget shows the data rate overall and by interface. The Connection Drops widget shows connections dropped by Security Gateway software blades. Network Drops shows dropped packets. The Connection Rate widget shows the number of connections per second. The Throughput, packets, sec widget shows the rate of packets overall and by interface. The Network Interfaces table displays IP addresses and states. Widget display depends on asset type and version. The Network Incoming Traffic and Network Outgoing Traffic tables display interface statistics. Columns show throughput in packets per second, drops, and errors. The VPN tab shows widgets for supported assets. The VPN Throughput Timeline displays data transfer rate. The Probe Status Timeline shows the VPN tunnel status. The Probe Status Timeline widget shows the status of the VPN tunnel. The Status of Network Probes widget shows the current status of VPN tunnels. For more information about network probes, see the R82 Site-to-Site VPN Administration Guide. The Temperature Timeline widget shows the sensor temperature. Charts display real-time data from CPU cores, intake air, and outlet air. The Voltage Timeline widget shows voltage. The Fan Timeline widget shows CPU fan speed. Status of temperature sensors and voltage sensors show real-time data. The Status of Fan Sensors widget shows the fan status. Hardware data collection varies. The Alerts page displays alerts for monitored assets. Access it via Infinity events. It shows statistics and details of active alerts, categorized by severity, category, and status. The Alerts page shows severity, category, and status. Note that info type alerts are filtered out by default. The alerts table displays active alerts. Filter alerts by severity, object name, category, or time frame. Integrate with Infinity Playblocks for notifications. Use Infinity Playblocks to set notification preferences for alerts and alert severity levels. The Gateways and Servers page shows monitored assets. Access it via Infinity Events. Add assets by clicking Add. A window will appear with the assets that can be monitored. To add, select Assets, then click Start Monitoring. To remove, select the asset, click Remove, and confirm. After asset removal, it no longer appears on the asset dashboard. To reactivate, see SK 182647. Infinity AIOps enhances security by simplifying management and visibility across your checkpoint assets. Use the asset dashboard for real-time data and identify low-performance resources. Integrating with Infinity Playblocks automates notifications, ensuring timely alerts for monitored assets.